Hi everybody, it's Mikey from Usually Broken Cars, and on today's video we're on the Singer on a Shoestring Porsche 924. One of the big things about this car is I'm trying to bring it to the 21st century, and who wants to put a key in the door? So, for £20 we've got a remote central locking kit. I'm going to open up the box, we'll have a look, I've got Pop with me, we're going to get it fitted. Let's get into it. Right, in the box we have got 4 actuators. Now obviously it's only a 2-door car, so we're not going to need all 4. And I know some of them have got 4 wires, so I'm guessing maybe they're the front doors, who knows. And then we've got 2 actuators. In the box we have also got a pair of key fobs, which to be fair, actually, key fobs look quite nice. They're quite small, tidy. So that's good, and I'm guessing this is the transmitting box that tells the car to open when we push a button on the fob. We've got a huge wiring loom. I'm guessing that's because it needs to go to and from each door. And then we've got this, I'm guessing, is a little LED to make it look like it's got an alarm or to show that it's locked. Some sticky pads, and then we've got the rods. A very, very comprehensive instruction list. First thing I've done, I've taken off the passenger door card, because the other day when I went to shut it, it fell off, so it's just easier to take the passenger one off. Pops has got the main wiring loom. What he wants to do is we're basically going to plug it in and make sure it actually works before we start feeding wires through and doing this, that and the other, which to be fair makes pretty good sense. So Pops has got the big old wiring loom over there, and it is, to be fair, a whole mess of wiring. Like I say, there's a lot. And that sort of computery boxy type thing. Pops has just mocked it up. This is going to be, there you go. So that's lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Cool. So we know it works in principle. Just explain what you're doing with the motor and how we're going to mount it, Pops.
Right, we're going to try and mount the motor on through the door. We're going to try and drill it and fit it about there.
So it'll be on the other side of the skin.
Yeah, inside. There. We might have to space it out a little bit, and then we're going to attach this rod. And then we've got to connect it onto this rod behind here. I'm going to take the lock out. It's going to be a bit of a
experiment.
Fiddling about and seeing how we can get it to do it the best way we can.
Alright, we've mocked up and basically put a couple of bends in the rod to give us an idea roughly where we want it. So we'll screw it in. We're going to just drill through it now. Probably just do like a little, are we going to self-tap it? Yeah,
if we drill through there, open these up, and these self-tapping screws will then screw into this plastic, so the holes will go straight through there, into there. Job done.
Excellent.
Try it, I suppose.
Okay, let me just get a little video of the inside of it so people can see what it actually looks like. You want those again, didn't you? Yeah, Pops.
Let's see if it works.
Do you want? Have you got the fobs? So that's unlocked. There you go. It? Right, hang on then. So, right, so I'll get down on there and then I'll put the camera in now. Right, so I'll do my best to try and show you, but you can kind of see, here's the rod. Obviously the motor is behind here, or the actuator, solenoid, whatever you want to call it. Don't know if I can get my camera in. Kind of can, but essentially when you press the lock, it's currently locked. Unlock, you can see it shoot up. I'll do it again because I was a bit wrong. Lock, unlock. There you go. So we know it works in principle. It's all wired in now down here. So we'll run the wires through the door, go from there. Right peeps, so what we've done, as you can see, door card back on, I'm happy, it's all assembled. What we've done is we've actually cut and shut the wiring loom. So we've run a bit of twin core. And instead of using the whole mess of wires, then all we'll have is 2 pairs of wires that essentially will go back to this mess of a junction. We have tested, both doors work, so all we've got to do now is get this inside the car, or at least we think we're going to do it in the car, and then run the, just tuck it away, and it should be all golden. Okay, both door cards are on. We've ran the wiring through, so it's now into the car. So it's through all of the door, it's all connected. Pops is just working in the footwell now with the loom, so we'll tuck that up out of the way. I'm not going to bother with the flashing blue LED because I don't really care. Oh, Pop says we've got to have a flashing LED. Essentially, all I need to do is get this wire over to Pop somehow. So that'll be my next job. It looks like a whole mess of wires, but I promise you it isn't. Pops has taken the live off the back of the fuse box. Obviously this is all additional wiring for the back end of the car. I have the fob. Moment of truth. Lock. Unlock. Other door. Lock. Unlock. Amazing. Well done, Pops.
Thanks, mate.
No, thank you. Yeah, to be fair, credit to Pops, because all I did was did what he told me to do. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's it. So let's try it. It worked. Oh, yeah. There you go. Right, peeps. So for £20, we can now lock and unlock the Porsche at the push of a button. How fantastic is that? So massive thanks to Pops for helping me out on this one. Nice and easy video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.